In a sunlit kitchen, Chen launched Verdant Sips, a neighborhood juice company turning imperfect fruit into vibrant drinks. With a tiny budget and wary retailers, she hosted pop-ups, traded flavors with farmers, and reinvested every dollar. A storm spoiled a batch, yet she rebuilt recipes, redesigned packaging, and rebuilt trust with the local community. A pilot with a local cafe sparked regional distribution and a loyal customer base. Verdant Sips now stands for grit, community, and sustainable growth, proving persistence plus creativity unlocks success.